What if I told you the master switch to all of your health was in your direct control? You only need to know where is it? How can you reset it? Hey, my name is Dr. Anna Toker. I'm a friendly neighborhood colorectal surgeon, and your master switch is actually in your gut. Mastering your gut health can improve your overall health. And you can do that if you know what the steps are. Now, it can be complicated, and there are doctors who spend years in practice teaching this over time to patients. The problem is, in the traditional patient-doctor interaction, you have 15 minutes to address essentially one question. You do not know what to ask the doctor, and the doctor does not have time to tell you everything. It's kind of up to you to learn this information, but where do you turn? It's either very commercially driven to sell you products, or it's extremely complicated to read about and understand if you don't have a science background. Well, that's where I come, your friendly neighborhood colorectal surgeon, your colon Sherpa guide, so to speak. I've put together a program called Gut Check. It is an easy to understand weekly subscription model where we go over little bit by little bit the intricacies of your body, its relationship to the gut microbiome. And every week, there is an actionable plan, something you can do to change what you are doing to improve your life. If you have lost focus, if you cannot sleep, if you have a chronic medical illness, weight you're trying to lose, an autoimmune disease, if you're on medicine and you're thinking, man, I really would love to get off of this high blood pressure medicine, and you just don't know where to start, this is a great program for you to start learning about your overall health by attacking the microbiome. A paper was written 4 years ago, and there's a paper before that that associate all chronic illnesses with starting with one of two problems, either an imbalance in your microbiome or a dysfunction in the lining of the intestinal tract known as leaky gut. These two things have a number of different causes. Let's learn about that, learn how we can fix it. It's time for you to take control of your master switch. It's easy enough to do, and right now it is on sale, $5.99 a month. You can cancel anytime you want to. It definitely is worth the investment, less than a cup of coffee per week, and you can get your health back.